Okay, so it's official. Europe is dropping certified bangers left and right, and actually, right here in front of us, we have Stormzy's "Sound of the Skeng." Skeng, I think, Skeng or Skung, either or. But it dropped an hour ago. Already has 300,000 views. You know how big Stormzy as an artist is, bro. He drops something, the shit goes dumb viral. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out. Stormzy is actually one of my favorite artists from the UK. As you can see, we have a UK flag behind us too, so that should already scream exactly where his country's from and all of that. So I was actually, funny story how I found this song. Actually, I was going to not the trending tab, but I clicked on the YouTube homepage and then recommended. This song was the #1 song recommended to me. So I'm like, dang, this song was just posted an hour ago. But thank you, YouTube, for the clutch little, threw me a bone a little bit. So, but obviously for copyright purposes, we're going to go ahead and chop this video up. But we are going to do a very, very, very thorough breakdown for this, man. He's absolutely one of the best artists in grime, which is a special genre of rap in the UK, and also he's just a great rap artist in general. It's amazing. If you guys have seen any of his works, it'll blow you away, absolutely blow you away. But anyways, that's all I'm gonna say. I don't want to ruin too much because I haven't even gotten into seeing what the video is gonna be. But let's go ahead and check this out and see exactly what we're working with. If you guys have not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Help the BRAYGANG get to 200,000 subscribers as fast as humanly possible. Not sure how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do it. Let's go ahead and make this thing happen. Oh my God. Look at him chilling, bro. I think, is he on a beach? Oh, that can't be a beach. Beaches don't have grass. No way, unless you're on a deck somewhere that has fake grass. Oh, word. Yo, where is he? He's on a rooftop with like a little grass, like, top. It's like a grass top on top of a tall building. Bro, this is exactly what I'm talking. This is like goals right here. People ask me like, oh man, like if you had millions of dollars, would you wouldn't you want a big house? No, I don't want a big house. Where you see Stormzy out exactly right now is where I want. That's exactly what I want. I want to live in a high rise with a view like this. This view is crazy, bruh. This view is crazy, and there's only very few places you can actually get a view that's just like this. That's what I want, man. I want to live it up like that, okay?
Easy. And it's like 5 whole years on the circuit. Every single year I murk it. Every single year.
So you said 5 4 years in the circuit. Every single year I murk it. Starting off strong, bro. That's Stormzy for you.
I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it.
Oh wait, Stormzy has kids? Hold on, I'm gonna look this up. I didn't know Stormzy had kids, cause I didn't even factor the 2 random boys that were in the video. But they can't be random, cause those gotta be his sons, bro. Stormzy's kids. Stormzy kids. Boom. About to look them up. The internet's working really well today, so Michael Ebenezer Codjo, Amari Owo Jr., born 26 July 20. I was a very child, blah, blah. It doesn't say that he has any children. That's interesting. Maybe he doesn't have any children. Dang. I can't see if he has any kids. Maybe these are just 2 random kids he snatched up. I don't know.
Give me that. Cause if it's up a bitch, I'll stand around and make it look perfect. Cause I probably deserves it.
Hey, he said I'm gonna make it look perfect because I probably deserve it.
The old school might just splurges. Please don't let him resurface.
Yo.
And the nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my bad.
Yo, big facts. This dude is actually cut the fuck up. Like, he looks super shredded. Dude definitely takes fitness very seriously. I've seen him in like a few of his other videos and stuff, and dude is ripped up, man. Like a lot of American artists, man, we out of shape. We kind of falling behind on the fit, wagon and stuff. But UK, man, you guys are on top of your shit. Like, y'all not playing.
Pick off your face, I'm worthy, truthful. Have you? I know the truth can hurt.
Dang. Wait, he said, I know you're not entirely truthful. because I know that the truth can hurt. I'm pretty sure that's exactly what he said. And look at these kids taking notes. These are the young bucks looking up to him, like taking notes. Look at how many platinum records this dude has. God damn. Damn, Stormzy, look at you. Boy, like, that's crazy.
Know that I know my 2 hands work. Pen don't start howling again. My dogs are my different nigga.
Whoa. What the fuck? His head just disappeared. Look at this. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see what I just saw. I almost lost my damn breakfast.
Dogs start howling again. My dogs are my different.
What the hell? Y'all saw that? That's crazy. This is crazy.
Nigga around Mr. Skeng spot.
Oh, hold on. Oh, I think his head popped back up in this dude. Hold on, let's go back.
Dogs are my different. Nigga around Mr.
Look, his head popped back up. This kid's like, bro, what is wrong with you? That's crazy.
Skeng spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance.
So he always talks about Mr. Skeng, and he always talks about Big Mike. Who are these individuals? I've listened to a lot of his songs. So Mr. Skeng was a song that he made about Mr. Skeng. I have no idea who that is, and if somebody could elaborate in the comments, that would be absolutely great, because I have no idea what I'm working with right now.
He's giving niggas some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man.
I love what he just said there. Like, name a nigga that's this consistent. And honestly, I'll consider the same thing about my upload schedule. Hey. Now, honestly, this is the biggest gap I've ever had in my life as far as like distance between videos. Because I think it's been an entire 24 hours since I uploaded a video. But we won't let that happen again. We got videos on deck. Let's get it.
The Americans too much. Coast to coast and I never get moved up facts. We talking racks.
So he said, I've done a lot, but it's never been too much. And that's facts. And we're talking about racks. Because listen, the amount of money you make is directly related to how much you work. And he has the equation on the board. Stormzy not playing with y'all. He's take some notes. We're in school now.
We talking plaques. What's it about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now.
He said, got a little money and a couple of bricks now. That's facts. Stormzy's made it, man. Stormzy has made it. This dude is like shitting on everybody.
Dude, but it's funny, it fits now. The sauce don't stick to my swag, it drips now. You niggas thought you were bad.
Bro, look at how tiny these dudes are.
Drips now. You niggas.
Look, the paganators featuring Lil Something. Haters keep hating. These are all the little haters, bro. They're little haters. He's about to step on them too. Look at him about to step on them.
Thought you were bad, you piss now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know where it is now, but man might.
Oh, he did step on him. This dude's savage as fuck.
Off your face, I'm worse. Man might pop a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely.
He said, yo, lift up a waist man's skirt. Yo, he's treating these haters like bitches, bro.
The truth will have you. I know the truth can hurt. I know that the Skeng I move foul. My friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs are my different. Nigga around me.
My dogs are me different. That's crazy, man. He's honestly, this is a quality ass song, bro. Like I tell you guys all the time, Stormzy's is a beast. He is a beast on the mic. Undefeated, bro. Undefeated. And here's proof right here.
Skeng spot the difference. Consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point.
Yo, there's the hater right there talking shit about him online, man. I'm not sure why, because the dude has good music. But there he is. Look.
Bros, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on. Bigger in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this straight. Don't.
Bigger in person, whipping excursion. Bro, he has like, I think I've heard this verse before. He's cool as shit though. Look at this. He's literally showing people. This has got to be his house, man. This is his house. I'm pretty sure this is his house. All of his platinum and gold records right here, bro. This is crazy. And he has a paddle. He's waving around a paddle. He's like, yo, I beat all y'all in this room.
So the flips is straight. Real niggas gonna dig this straight. But man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes on birth.
Yo, he said, man might leave with your babes on birth. This dude's a savage. A savage. For those that don't know what that means a savage, okay?
And just bad up the place and murk. Them ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know.
He said, you haven't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know the truth can hurt. The truth does hurt, man. And the truth is, the grind don't ever stop.
I know my sounds of the Skeng. I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs are my different.
He said my dogs are me different. Bro, that's crazy. Look at this big ass dog. He's probably a Rottweiler, man. Big ass dog, yo.
Mr. Skeng spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance.
Oh, he said Big Mike don't need no assistance. He not playing around, bruh. All right, Stormzy, I see you.
So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Look at him taking notes. He said, you believe, take notes, and you shall receive. Okay. Look at him. I like this, man. Yo, Stormzy bodied this, man. Sounds the Skeng. That's dope. Honestly, that is wow. I might have this on repeat, to be honest, after I'm done with this video. But I loved it, absolutely loved it. Stormzy once again came to the table with like fire, straight up fire. So what can I say to that? I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications. We got a lot more bangers to drop today, man. Everybody's dropping songs and I can't keep up because guess what? We're worldwide. We're international now. BRAYGANG is international. Everybody knows about us, man. We gotta check out the music from all around the world. We just had a track drop in India by Krishna, right? And I reviewed it. It was crazy. I have never seen somebody dissected that bad in my life. This dude picked apart Eminem and said Eminem should be called feminine. Or no, he said Eminem thinks he's Eminem, but he's really feminine. And I'm like, bro, he ended your whole career, bro. Don't get up. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna get back up and make music and get bodied again, but it's all good. Sometimes people like getting bodied. But anyways, that's aside the point. Stormzy killed it, and UK, you guys are absolutely amazing. Sometimes I think you're underrated because I'm like, bro, like more people should listen to music from the UK. A lot of it's better than American stuff, to be honest. That's just me. That's just me. Don't at me, but that's just me. That's pretty much it. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next time I see you guys again, take care. Peace.